Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys want to see how I got this really pretty colorful skull, then please continue watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hey guys, okay, let's just get started. Please ignore that because I'm trying to make the room less yellow thanks to my chandelier. I don't know what's going on with it, but anyway, so I went ahead and already did this eye, and I'm using like 3 different palettes. I'm using the Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette and the Chocolate Gold by Too Faced palette, and I'm using this really colorful big palette. It's just called Eyeshadow right there. I don't know, I think I got it at around like December last year and everything, whenever, you know, Walmart and everything was stocking for like Christmas presents and stuff. So yeah, I think it was just 9 something too, so they'll be doing it this year and I need to put it to some use. So we are gonna do like a multicolored, colorful, like, I don't really think it's glam, but skull. And I got inspired by Alice Dixon. I don't know, but there she is. And like, I have not practiced this look either, just maybe in my mind. But let's just jump right into this. Well, I am gonna show you guys how I did this other eye and then actually jump into the tutorial thing of the skull. So let's jump right into it. So I used the yellow Lemonade Craze palette. Well, the yellow shade is called Lemonade Craze as well. So anyway, I already put Tarte Shape Tape on my eyes, and we're just going to put that in the crease and just keep packing that on. I don't know if you can really tell, but, well, now you can. There is yellow there. Now I'm just going to take this orange shade right here and this big old eyeshadow palette and put it right below it in the crease. And I did go kind of high up with that yellow shade. And just pack that on as well. Now I'm going to mix like these 2 blues. This one and I think it was this one. And put them on the outer corner. I really like this eyeshadow palette. Now I'm going to be taking this pink shade called New Money from the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. Putting it right in here. I just took like a silver shimmer shade in the eyeshadow palette and just put it here, and I want to go over it with Rich Girl of the Too Faced palette. And then I'm going to go off camera and kind of clean this up and do a wing. So I went ahead and did my foundation, and I got some black. It was either eyeliner, it had to been eyeliner, and accidentally got some up there, and I tried to get it off the best I could, but you can still see that, but let's pretend it's not there. And I did take a darker blue from the eyeshadow palette and just, I don't know if you can really, it doesn't really look like it, I did, but I did, and went over the turquoise looking blue, and I just put some purple right in there from the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. Now let's get started on the actual skull. Just going to take some e.l.f. liquid eyeliner and draw on the whatever it's called. Now mine and her look ain't going to be like exactly the same, obviously. I'm going to do whatever this is. It's not even, but it's whatever. Now I'm going to mix all them blue shades that I used and just start putting it. And just keep blending. So I just went ahead and drew out like the mouth part or whatever. And now I'm just going to fill it in with that Rue 21 black gel eyeliner. Now I'm just going to take that Rich Girl, that's what it's called, that silver shade, and just put it next to the blue. Just kind of blend it all in. Now I'm going to take that pink shade and put it next to like the silver shade. I hope by the time done with this, it'll look really good. We'll see. Now I'm going to take purple shade, blend that. Now we're going to take that orange shade, just put it next to the purple. And just keep packing that on. Now I'm going to take that yellow shade and kind of finish all of this. Which actually that's going to kind of get covered up, so. Put it everywhere. So I just went ahead and drew the nose and it kind of looks like a cat. I want to fill the nose in. Now I just took the Stila eyeshadow glitter glow whatever thing and Smoky Storm, and I just put some of it on my nose. Now I'm going to try to draw some teeth with it. Guys, I suck at drawing the teeth, but oh well. Kind of make like a raindrop or teardrop, like that. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. It's a close up. I think overall, I mean, it turned out okay, right? But I just want to say thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and start commenting and talking to me like I've been telling you. Anyway, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.